What's going on, guys? Today I got a few things to do to the old Mazda B2000. Just a few maintenance things that have to be done since I got it. Um, the high beam on the driver's side was out when I got the truck, so I got a new headlight for it last week, but in the process of putting it in, I broke this retaining clip right here. As you can see, it came off of the bracket at the bottom and it just came separated from the other side of it. So I got a new one of those to install, as well as a new headlight for the other side, because the one that I just got was so much brighter, and this one has like all this condensation. It's definitely old and tired, so I'm gonna replace that. And then this bumper, or not the bumper, the grill part right here has to come out in order to take the headlights out. So while I have it off, I think I'm gonna spray it, just touch it up with some paint, freshen it up a bit. So I'm gonna get going on that, and I'll set you up so you guys can take a look. So as it turns out, the retaining ring that I bought from Amazon, the bolt holes don't line up with the Mazda bolt holes. As you can see here, you can't see through to that. It just doesn't quite line up at all. So I'm gonna drill it out, I suppose, and we'll see how that goes. Alright, so a little update. I ran to the store, ran to Harbor Freight to get some drill bits, which I got right here. Nice little set for like 20 bucks. And I got my impacts here. So I started mocking up the retaining ring that I bought. I drilled one hole, put this screw in to hold it in place. Then I lined up this one. And this one I don't really care about because I actually had to drill out the bolt or the screw that was in it originally, because it was completely frozen in there. Can't really tell, but so then I have it secured and I can line up the other two. I have my two pilot holes drilled. I'm going to take it off, drill the bigger hole, and then put it back in with the light, and it should be good to go. I already got this light in. I did snap off one bracket. Well, you also can't really tell, just like the other side, but thankfully it still has one attached, so I don't have to mess with this side yet. But it looks a lot clearer and nicer than before. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill this one out, like I said, mount up the headlight, and then put the grill back on. We'll see how it looks. Time to touch up that faded, old, worn out grill. Here we go. Alright, so I got the grill back on. Both the headlights are in place, plugged in, and the side markers are back secured. So this is what it looks like. I like how it came out. I mean, not the best weather for painting, but it came out alright. The new headlight right here looks really shiny. Well, they're both new. I think it looks pretty good. So I'd say that was a success for today.